Hello traders, the title of the video is Pitchfork tool trading. Netease stock, a Pitchfork tool trading tips. I'm on a monthly chart looking at Netease.com, epic NTES. So this is an American stock. All right, November Tango Eco Sierra. And we want to talk about a Pitchfork tool trading. All right, Pitchfork tool trading tips and tricks. All right, so trader may say, Joe, you talked about Pitchfork tool before. Yes, but this is about analyzing Netease stock. Trader that are trading Netease stock will find this video quite useful, and traders that are looking for how they can improve their Pitchfork tool trading may find this video also useful. All right. So suppose you are here and you want to trade Netease stock using Pitchfork tool. How will you trade it? That is the question that we are trying to answer today. All right. So you can see that this monthly candlestick bar, the price is coming down recently. All right, the price was posing on the edge of the Pitchfork tool here, but this is one of the mistakes that traders face sometimes, because you are on one particular time frame. If you were here that time and the price was exactly on the edge of the lower part of the Pitchfork tool, and the stochastic 833 is also oversold, the first thing that is going to come into your mind is to look for an opportunity to buy. Yes or no? All right. So a lot of traders, the first tendency is to look for an opportunity to buy. That's a mistake. Why? Because the first mistake that one is making is that the price is going down. All right. So the price is going down. Should you give priority to buy or sell? You should give priority to sell, which means you'll be looking for a rally up, okay, and to sell. All right, price must rally up first before you will sell. So the first upturn to buy, because the stochastic is oversold, will be a violation of we can say medium term, all right, market pattern, which is a declining channel. All right, so one can, I'm not saying that the price cannot turn around and go up, but if we are buying and at this junction, at the time when the price was retesting the Pitchfork tool, we need to control the risk carefully, because we are trading against the medium-term trend. All right. The second mistake that a swing trader, all right, may be making here at the time when the price was retesting the lower part of the Pitchfork tool will be that candlestick bar is not yet closed. So if you are using Pitchfork tool on any time frame and you are looking for a trading setup, allow the candlestick bar on that time frame to close first. So if you're on a daily chart and you think that it's a good setup with the Pitchfork tool, allow that candlestick bar to close first. So first mistake that you don't want to do is to violate the market pattern. The second mistake is to quickly start implementing, okay, a top-down trading method without allowing the candlestick bar to close on the setup time frame. All right. So if I go now to the daily chart, you see quickly now that you can see a few days ago the price was here. What the price was doing, you can see here, a D below that level of 21722, right? D below it was somewhere near the edge of the Pitchfork tool, and then it rallied up to retest that level of 21722, and then after that today people are selling it. All right, so break below, retest. All right, so it went below the edge of the lower part of the Pitchfork tool, it went back above it, but was retesting that level of 21722. So the next thing that I want to mention to traders here is that if you are using the Pitchfork tool, you must use it in conjunction for other key levels, support, okay, and resistance level. All right. So first one, don't forget the market pattern. Second one, allow the candlestick bar to close, and also be aware of other key levels on the chart. What usually is taking place that most traders that are using the Pitchfork tool, once they play the Pitchfork tool on their charts, all right, they will try to buy near the median line, they will try to buy near the low, all right, and that's what they are looking for. All right, they concentrate only on the Pitchfork tool. But apart from the Pitchfork tool, the first thing I want you to remember is the market pattern, is the candlestick bar being closed, all right, and other normal horizontal key support and resistance level. So you want to gather all those information so you do not make any mistake, especially if the price is going down. As you can see, this is about the market pattern. You want to sell, all right. Here it is, this candlestick bar is long like this on the monthly chart, but if you, that's why another thing. So one thing you will do, apart from everything else that I've said so far, do not stack on one time frame alone. So use different time frames. So like here on the monthly chart, that's all you can see. But as you go to the daily chart, you will see quickly that, all right, it break below that key level, it retested, it break below. So you are zooming into it by going to a lower time frame, so you may see other information that were not visible or apparent on the monthly chart or on the higher time frame. So those are the things that you need to pay attention to. Another thing that I want to mention today is that sometimes as traders are using the Pitchfork tool, so they play the Pitchfork tool on the chart like this, all right? So they are trading Netease stock, all right? So they want to trade it as a swing trader, as a day trader. So they say, all right, it's on the edge of the Pitchfork tool, or all right, it's at the intersection of the Pitchfork tool or any other key level. They are saying the price now at a hot spot on the zone and so on, all right? But then quickly they look down and they look at the indicators. Here we have a distinctive stochastic pattern. All right, so this is a low. This is not gorgeous one, but I don't want to dwell on it because I'm talking about stochastic pattern at George Trio YouTube channel. George Trio YouTube channel. That's what I'm talking about, the stochastic pattern. So if you go there, you will see more video. I don't want to talk about it here. So you see, it's a distinctive stochastic pattern here. Okay, it's a bullish pattern. Here it is. So after they place the Pitchfork tool on the chart, they will say, all right, it's on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. Oh, I have also stochastic pattern, and they will rush to buy. They will rush to buy. Try to implement a top-down trading method. It's not bad to implement a top-down trading method, but as I was telling you before, do not forget, the market pattern. Wait for the candlestick bar to close. Be aware of the other key support or resistance level, the horizontal lines, all right, very, very important. And do not trade the indicators. So sometimes they will play the Pitchfork tool, and then quickly they will forget about it and start trading the indicators. They say, oh, all right, this is a stochastic pattern. Yes. What you need to do with the indicator is to combine them. So you read the technical indicator. What message is the technical indicator communicating to us? Well, it's a bullish indication here. All right. And you acknowledge that and you move away. It's oversold. There's a stochastic pattern there. Good. All right. So you put it aside. You gather that information. That's finished. All right. And then now you go back to the chart, which is there. All right. The chart, that's what we are trading. So you can ask few questions. What is happening here? So what is happening is just a very simple question. The price was going up before. Now it's going down. Why is it going down? People are selling. So now people are selling. Is it a good time to buy? Okay. If we want to buy, when can we buy? So we need to have a bullish trading setup at the key level, at the support level. That's when we can buy. All right. So those are the few things that you need to do when you are using the Pitchfork tool, talking about, Pitchfork tool, trading tips and tricks. So going back again to Netease talk at this junction today, what can we tell traders? Okay, what we can say to a swing trader at this junction, yes, we have a stochastic bullish chart pattern, good. As I told traders, stochastic pattern traders, that if the stochastic give us a bullish chart pattern, a bullish indication, we want that pattern, we want the price to be at a key level. So as you can see now, the price is not, the price break below one key level, 2722. So the price is looking for a better support level. So it violated the 21722. And then it converted the 21722 into resistance. How do we know? Because it break below it and retest it, and now people are selling. So that support 21722 is now converted into a resistance level. So the price is looking for a better support level. What is the next support level for Netease stock? Netease.com. What is the next support? Is this one? 18093. So we will be saying, all right, wait for that candlestick bar to close. Tomorrow will be the 31st of August 2018 as a swing trader. We'll just wait until the market is about to close and we see what's happening here, what kind of candlestick bar is here. So we want to see that monthly candlestick bar, the certain time frame candlestick bar must close. Okay, it will be nicer that they push it near that level. That will be near a support level because the smart money is very, very obsessed with getting to a support level. Or if it couldn't come back to the next support level, the price may tend to go back above the edge of the Pitchfork tool or above the 21722. That will be the scenario. So it's now going down. It's trying to get here. It may get there. It may not get there. If it couldn't get there, you will try to find another support, which means you go back up a bit to find a better support up. That's what will happen. But for us as a swing trader, that candlestick bar will close, and then come Monday, personally, I think that it's better to enter swing trade on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, for instance, you may come back again and look at, so you go back down on Tuesday because that monthly candlestick bar will close yet tomorrow. Then on Tuesday, you look at it on the daily chart and see what's happening here. So the daily chart again, the market pattern is a declining channel. All right, if you bring it to that support level below 180, you remember that support below, that will be a better place. And then if you see a bullish trading setup there, so you'll be drawing again line as always. All right, so you see now, you'll be drawing line. You may have, again, on the daily chart, again, you change time frame, you use the Pitchfork tool on the monthly chart, now you want a signal time frame, you can again draw another Pitchfork tool. So we can draw another Pitchfork tool like this. All right. That can help us to determine the possible path that the price is taking on the daily chart. So you see now, so the Pitchfork tool that I'm drawing now on the daily chart is telling me the possible path that the price is taking. All right. So I'm going to call out that Pitchfork tool that I'm drawing on the daily chart. Remember that I have two Pitchfork tools on my chart now. One is brown, one is red. The red one is from the daily chart. Let's go back to the monthly chart and let's see. All right. So that's the red one is the one from the daily chart. Right? So the price break below the median now. Okay, you see now? Right? So by doing those kind of exercise with the Pitchfork tool from the setter time frame, even on the signal time frame, even on the entry time frame, it allows you to see exactly what is happening. All right. So you may make a better trade decision. So you may time the market carefully. So you may decide when is the most appropriate time you should start implementing a top-down trading method. All right. I think I've said enough now. All right. So this is it. All right. So when the signal is fired, all right, you will go to the entry time frame. So we will say monthly chart, daily chart, hourly time frame. If you see this on the weekly chart, 2-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame for the signal, entry time frame, 15-minute time frame. Right? So if your Pitchfork tool trading setup is on the daily chart, you say daily chart, hourly time frame, 10-minute time frame, and so on. If your Pitchfork tool trading setup is on the 4-hour time frame or 2-hour time frame, you say 4-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame for the entry, and so on and so on. So this will conclude our discussion today about the Pitchfork tool trading. All right, Netease stock Pitchfork tool trading tips. All right? If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in the comment section. All right. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If, for instance, all right, you have seen a very nice Pitchfork tool trading setup, all right, you can put in the comment section, but that setup must be an American stock, so stock that belongs to the NASDAQ 100, S&P 500, or Dow 30. If you see a very reliable Pitchfork tool trading setup that you want to discuss, put it below under this video, so we may talk about it. All right. So we'll look at it and see whether we can discuss something about that to help traders to improve their Pitchfork tool trading. All right. So to summarize the video, all the time, remember, very, very important, first thing, check the market pattern. Is it going down? What the price was doing before? It's going down before, now it's going down. Now it's going down, okay, the market pattern is bearish. Good. That candlestick bar must close on that time frame. Okay, Be aware of the normal horizontal key, support, and resistance level. Good. Do not be fixated on the technical indicator. Acknowledge the message that the technical indicator is communicating, and then put it as a recording. So it's a bullish stochastic pattern. Good. All right. All right. You want to sell, you want the price to rally up first. Must go up. That's how people sell. All right. Must go up first, and then common center is broken, and then you implement your top-down trading method. All right. As you can see now for this stock on the daily chart, that's what people did. You see, down. They didn't sell it. But people who were selling it before, the swing trader that was selling before, yes. Now, it can be sometimes tricky to catch it like this if you just selling and crossing your fingers, just hoping. All right. So the person now you rally up. You see, today they are selling it down. It's going to a next support level. Price going down. Highlight the key levels. Well, highlight the key level. So you may understand what is the price doing. It's going down. Now it breaks the level of 21722. Where is the next support level? 18093. After that, next level 14463. After that, which level? 10565. You see, and between every two line, you can draw also the median line and so on. And then you draw the Pitchfork tool on the trading set time frame. You go to the signal time frame. Look whether you can use another Pitchfork tool that can help you also to determine, all right, the possible path that the price is taking on that particular time frame. All right. If you think this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please make sure you mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other Pitchfork tool traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Alright, until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Pitchfork tool trading, Netease stock Pitchfork tool trading tips. Happy trading to you all. And I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.